chat. All right, chat. What are we doing? Let's check out JimmySA. _SA. Let's make sure. Let's check out the Bruella. The name of the song is Both Side. Dropped 4 days ago. Try New Things. EP. Dang, it's a whole EP. That's nice. Try New Things. Okay, let's hear it. Let's hear it, my dog. Let's hear it. What? Skrilla or what? Playboy Cardi. That yeet sound. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god, that's so scary. What the fuck? Let's go, boy! We need more sounds like this, chat. We need to show up, yo, we South Africans can actually tap into anything. We as South Africa can tap into anything. Shout out to Jimmy, dog. Shout out to Jimmy, dog. We can tap into the sound. Let's go. This sound, I know it from Kilbraid and the GMG. I'm a brother Cooper and them. Call the hoes. Call all the hoes. And just let's just vibe. Let there be a mosh pit. Oh my god, bruh. Right now, nigga. Right now, nigga. Oh my god, right now, nigga. I'm gonna call it back, chat. The thing is, if I drop it, it's gonna be a problem. If I drop it, it's gonna be a problem. So I'll just let it ring. Otherwise, yeah, I'm saying we need to tap in more, man, on this sound, chat. I'm busy though. Hold on, I'm working. Again, being able to actually engineer this sound is actually dope to me. Being able to make this sound, it's fucking amazing. Ridiculous, chance. Cause for me, I can't imagine us as Southers, how the fuck are we able to create this thing, these components? Shout out. I fuck with that. I do. I fuck with that. Let's not talk a lot. Call all the hosts. Call all the brews. Let's vibe. And that's the sound that we want. Shout out to you, Kings. I fuck with this.